These two graphs, we have two graphs right here, but the topic is domain and range of exponential and the logarithmic function. Exponential and logarithmic function. We have two examples to show you what I mean. This the domain, for example, the domain of the function is a set of all possible x values. The range of the function, is the set of all possible y values, right? So range, we are talking about looking for range, and domain, right? Domain, all possible x values, and range, all possible y values, all right? We're talking about the y-axis, here talking about the x-axis, right? So no, we are gonna just take a look. You have 5 answers for each problem. 5 answers for each problem. One is the right answer. Right is the right answer because looking. So we need to show where is the domain, and then here where is the range. Okay, let's go to the first graph. You just take a look at the first graph. We have this graph right here. See what is the domain of this exponential function. This is exponential function. So we have 5 different answers, so choose one is the right answer. So take a look at the first one answer. So look at this, x such x is greater or equals a negative 3. Remember, we are talking about the x-axis. For example, you have negative 3 right here, this is y, but this is negative 3 right here, negative 3 as a x-axis. So what happened here? So nothing, right? What is the relationship from here? What is the relationship? So negative right here. So this one, nothing. It's another relationship with the graph, right? Let's see the second one. The second one says x such x less or equals a negative 3. Again, what is the relationship? So it's nothing, right? So let's go. All real numbers. All real numbers. You see the graph, you move to here, it's negative numbers, yeah, negative numbers and y. Look at this, to y, you go to running and to y up, it's positive numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers and x, negative numbers and x. So we are talking about the all real numbers, right? So then this is the right answer. This one, all real numbers. Where is the domain of this exponential function? All real numbers, right? See, all real numbers is the answer for this example, this graph. Okay. Remember another thing that I wanna you remember the formula. So for exponential functions, we are talking about when y is equals ab to the power x minus h plus k. Is that way, right? So when we are talking about the logarithmic functions, this is the formula. We're talking about the y equals a logarithm b times x minus h plus k. Remember? So we teach this in different class, right? So right now, okay, forget it. Don't look a lot. Don't be focused on this. Be focused on the graph, the numbers. See the graph here. What is the question here? Here, what is the range of this logarithmic function? The range we're talking about. What is the range? Range is where a function is the set of all y possible values, right? Y possible values. We're looking for the range. Okay. Now you have 5 possible answers right here. What I mean these signs? These signs, when these signs are under, when you have a negative, when this sign is a negative, it means under, mean infinity. So when it's positive, it's upper. So continue upper, it's infinity, right? All right. So after that, see the first possible answer. You have negative under, right? Negative also mean, so under all the way. So this is x. Okay, this is x. and then belong to all these. The first is x, the second one is y. Remember, x, y. All right, so -2. You have -2 here. But no, could be. It's not. Maybe not. This is no. This is not the right answer. So let's go the second one. So -2. What is the relationship? We have here this line too. Same thing here. We have this line. And for the function, so look at this line right here. C, right? This means it's talking about domain. This means talking about the range. Okay, the line. All right. So that is not. This is not the right answer. Look at the second one. Second one, -2x right here, and then upper could be, but it's not -2. When it's -2, it's good to be straight. But look at this. This is moving. Who is running the graph? All right. This is not. Look at the third one. Third one. So it's under and upper. Under. Look at the zero right here. The origin right here is moving more and 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 more. Right? So it's under. So this is right. This is fine, like here is fine, but not the second one. But what about this? Continue to. So remember, it's upper, right? Upper. It's continue upper. So for infinity, so on, right? So this is the right answer then. Okay, this is the right answer. Now look, take a look, all answers. See, the -2 in every answer is not possible. Right, because it's not straight, right? This is the range. So the logarithmic function. So what is the range of the logarithmic function? The range is this one. Under and upper, right? It's continuous to infinity, right? See the graph? Just you have to translate in the graph. What I mean the graph, right? This is the topic for today. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Just translate it. In this class, we try to understand what I mean the range when you looking in a logarithmic function, how the range look, right? And the exponential function, same thing. You don't have to do anything. Just take a look and see and understand the graph. Easy. Just when you see the graph, try to understand the graph. What I mean the graph, which number are the possible answer to the graph? What is this graph show you, right? That's the main thing. You understand the graph. You don't have to do it. Just understand the graph, how's running the graph, how's making the graph, and then see the. In this case, I write it some possible answer. So and then from these possible answers, find the right answer, and then look at this, the domain. But the main thing, remember, you have to keep in mind, not forget the concept of domain. Domain is the set of all possible x values, and the range is the set of all possible y values, right? And then another clue. So what is exponential function? Well, in this way, how is the way the exponential function is in this way, right? When you work on it. And the logarithmic function is in this way too, right? These two, h and k, we talk some class before, we show you these variables, right? But here we don't try so I mean, we don't have to show you how this function, how these formulas work. So the main idea is get, and then the picture, what I mean, the graph like that, just like this. What I mean, this graph for you. What I mean, this graph for you when you see it, right, in calculus. So that's it so far. So thank you so much.